You see, time spent in talking or having a great conversation isn't a waste of time. Too many people don't know the things that are a waste of time. For example, talking or having a conversation that lifts up your motivation for life is not a waste of time.
Okay then. But what are the things we can see as waste of time?
Things like unnecessary talks, unhealthy activities, etc. are a waste of time. Also, acting in haste all the time is a waste of time.
Santa, can you tell me more things I should see as waste of time?
Sure. You should first of all look into your dreams and ask yourself, will these things I do daily help me grow so I achieve my dreams? After doing that, then you should list out all your habits. If you are sincere, you will see the terrible habits you need to do away with. Also, you should do only the things that work for you. Don't imitate someone because he or she is famous or rich. You need to check yourself, analyze things to yourself, and properly decide.
Many students see proper time management as spending all time in reading books. Do you think that is good, Santa?
Yes, studying is good. But a student that does only important things is better. So, doing important things is something a student should learn to do. This is what they should see as proper time management.
Okay, Santa.